Hey, how's it going? Chances are you're learning how to become a Forex trader. Quick tips. That's why you landed on this video. So look no further because I am here. If you're into Forex trading and you want to make a living with Forex trading or make good side hustle income, this video is going to explain how to become a better Forex trader. Quick tips. Even if you never traded online before. And oh yeah, before I forget, if you like what you see and you want to learn how to implement this for yourself, visit my website at www.darylbrenton.com, where I will be sending you free valuable content right to your inbox. So number one, know the markets. Take the time to learn the currency pairs and what affects them before risking your own capital. You should invest in the time in learning. That could save you a good amount of money. Step number two, develop a plan and stick to it. Creating a trading plan is a critical component of successful trading. It should include your profit goals, risk tolerance level, methodology, and evaluation criteria. I honestly love this one. Put your trading plan to the test in real market conditions with a risk-free demo account. You'll get a chance to see what it's like to trade currency pairs while taking your trading plan for a test drive without risking any of your own capital. And another thing that I want to add to this, you learn by doing. So yeah, you're on YouTube, yeah, you're watching videos, but hop on pocketoptions.com, use a demo account, learn, fool around with it, zoom in, zoom out, click on different stocks, click on different currencies, fool around with it, get familiar with it. You learn by doing. And number four, check your emotions at the door. Revenge trading rarely ends well. Don't let emotion get in the way of your plan for successful trading. When you have a losing trade, do not go all in to try and make it back in one shot. Learn when to walk away. So that's the fifth step. Know your limits. This includes knowing how much you're willing to risk on each trade, setting your leverage ratio in accordance with your needs. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and click the like button to help me with the YouTube algorithm so more individuals can see my video. In tomorrow's video, I'm going to be showing you Forex trading strategies for beginners step by step. And just like always, guys, make sure to click on this video or this video to watch more free valuable content. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for the next one.